Welcome back to our channel, Quizzy Kids. Can you solve this math quiz in 5 seconds? But first, subscribe my YouTube channel for more quiz videos. Let's start easy to medium level. 7 plus 5. 12 is right answer. 15 minus 6. 9 is the right answer. For multiply by 3. 12 is the true answer. 20 divided by 4. 5 is the right answer. 9 plus 8. 17 is true answer. 12 multiplied by 3. 36 the right answer. 45 divided by 5. 9 is the right answer. 18 plus 27. 45 the right answer. 50 minus 23. 27 right answer. 6 multiplied by 7. 42 right answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.